In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off automatic relisting on eBay. Whether you've been managing a store or you're just starting to sell online, understanding how to manage your listings on eBay can be crucial to ensuring a smooth and efficient selling experience. Automatic relisting is a feature that can be convenient for many, but in some cases, you might want to handle relisting manually or adjust your listings in a different way. So let's dive in and walk through the steps you need to take to turn off this feature. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for eBay. In the list of search results, find the official eBay website and click on it. This will take you directly to the eBay homepage. Now on the upper left corner of the page, you'll notice the Sign In option. Click on Sign In and use your credentials to log into your eBay account. It's essential to ensure you're signed in, otherwise you won't be able to make changes to your selling settings. Once you're logged in successfully, direct your attention to the upper right section of the page. There you'll see a drop-down menu beside My eBay. Click the arrow next to it and this will reveal more options. From these, select Selling, which will take you straight to the section where all your current selling activities are managed. As you're now in the Selling section, look for a tab or menu option labeled Listing and click on it. This will bring up a list of all your listings. After that, navigate to the Active Listings tab, showcasing items you currently have available for sale. Now, you need to determine which item you want to stop from automatically relisting. Once you've identified the item, select it by clicking on it. This brings you additional actions you can take for that particular listing. Look for the Actions button, typically located somewhere near the listing description or at the top of the item options. Clicking this will open up a menu of actions related to the chosen listing. In the Actions menu that appears, search for the option that says Remove Automatic Relist. Click on this to disable the automatic relisting feature for the selected item. By doing so, you've effectively turned off the automatic relisting, and now you can manage the item's relisting process manually, giving you more control and flexibility over your eBay sales strategy. Taking these steps to disable automatic relisting on eBay can help suit your specific selling needs, whether you prefer to take a more hands-on approach or want to adjust your strategy periodically. Remember to repeat these steps for any other listings where you also wish to disable the relisting feature. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your eBay account.